lovely peoples, it's Odette here and welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome today. I am filming another video for you guys today and I do hope you don't mind. Same clothes, hair, I mean it doesn't bother me and I hope it doesn't bother you as well. So we are going to get into this video right now. I do have this boxycharm box for you guys. This is the January box. This is the Luxe box and I thought, why not try it? I did take a peek inside to see what's going on in here. So we are just going to open it up right now and I'm going to tell you guys exactly what I got. Just piece of paper, we're just going to toss that on the floor. And I'm not going to go through everything that's on the card because it seems to be a lot of things in here. And of course you do have the little card that comes along. This is called the Winter Luxe box, I guess. And you have a few things in here which I'm going to share with you guys right now. And the first thing I'm pulling out is this vitamin C face cream, Burki. I'm sure that's how it's pronounced. This is the packaging right here. And let's just open this up and see what this is all about. Ooh, let's just see if we can pull this out. Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. This is what the product looks like. Okay, let me open this up. And of course it has a protective cover on top right here. Ooh, it smells lovely. I don't want to have to put my hand in it. And I'm seeing so many companies are coming out now with vitamin C cream. Again, this is from Burki. I'm sure that's how you pronounce it. OMG. Wait until you hear the retail price for this product. $116 is the retail price for this. Holy smoke. I hope it's worth it. It's quite expensive. The packaging is quite nice. Really lovely. That's quite steep. I mean, if I had to go out to the store and pick up a vitamin C face cream, I would not be spending $160, but that's okay. So we do have here from, is it Viseart? This seems to be a setting powder. And let me just see, the retail price for this is $35. This is the packaging right here. So let's just open this up and see what we got inside. Oh, really, really nice. Let's just move that piece of paper away. This is the packaging right here. Pretty nice. And it is a setting powder. So we're just going to open this up. It just has a protective plastic on the inside. And it's from Viseart. I'm sure that's how you pronounce it. Wow. Okay. So this is Aceology. It's detoxifying treatment mask. This is the packaging. Oh, by the way, the Viseart, did I tell you how much the retail price is on this one? Yes, $35. And for this Aceology detoxifying mask, the retail price on this is $69. Jesus, what is this thing made of? For goodness sake. So this is the packaging right here. $69. That's quite expensive. That is pretty much steep. Okay, so I do have, is it Laruce? Let's just see, Laruce. These are brushes and $50 is the retail price for this. This is the packaging right here. Let's see if we can open this up. Oh, wow, you have 5 brushes in here. You do have crease brushes, blender brushes, whatever you want to use the brushes for, because they can be used for anything. And the quality of the brushes feels really good. Wow, and they're nice and blue in the end and silver on top. Really, really nice. And yeah, I think I like that. And again, this is from, is it Laruce? And it's $50. And this is for the Christine set. It includes a dual fiber cheek brush, a small angled cheek brush, small concealer brush, a small flat shader brush, a medium dome blending brush, and a graphite petite Winnie cup, which is just this thing. Okay, so not bad. I'm always hunting for good brushes, or always looking for good brushes, or always love to have good brushes in my collection. So that's that. The price for that is not too bad for what you're gonna get. It's $50. So this one here is Farmacy. This is a Honeymoon Glow Body, 12% AHA BHA resurfacing serum with honey and prickly pear. I do have something from Farmacy from a previous boxycharm box, and let's just see what this one is all about. The retail price on this is $40, and let me just see, I think there's a protective shield on top, and let me just see if I can remove that quickly and then see what this is all about. Let's just see if it is scented. So it's called a Honeymoon Body Glow. Let's see if it's going to make my skin glow or not. I'm just rubbing this on my hand. You do get a bit of something. I can see this being worn in the summertime. This is really pretty. You have a slight glow, not too much. And let me just see, did I tell you the retail price in this one? It's $40. Okay, that's that. This is an eyeliner from, it's called Persona. So Persona, the retail price on this is $14. Let's just open this up. Ah, looks really nice. Wow. Ah, that is really, I just put a little bit of this on my hand, and this is how I'm holding it. Very, very, very soft, and it's brown, and a little touch, and it goes on. Just, you see that right there? Just a little touch and it goes on. This is really, really lovely. And again, this is $14 retail. Oh wow, these things are quite steep. What is this one here? This is Pure from Pure Cosmetics. What do I have here from Pure Cosmetics? Retail on this product is $22, and this is a mascara. And let's just open this up quickly for you guys. Shake that out. And I know I'm always opening these stuff from the wrong end. Ooh, fully charged from Pure. It is a mascara. And again, if you want to use your mascara on your lashes, you can go right ahead. Wow, looks interested. Looks very, very interesting. Look at that. Really, really lovely. Like that from Pure Cosmetics. And we have one more thing from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I've used this brow pomade before. And Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Pomade. Oh, it has a brush. And this is $39. It's expected because this is quite steep. It's good. And this shade, it's probably, I don't know what the shade is. Chocolate. It may or may not fit me, I don't know. And let me just open this up. Definitely not my shade. Boxycharm, you didn't even listen to my questions that I answered on your website. You sent me a brown dip pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Really? What am I supposed to do with this? But it came along with a brush, which is good, and a double-ended brush. You do have the brush on one side, and then you do have the other end right here. And yeah, this is $39, and it is not bad. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products in here. So Anastasia Beverly Hills, you get the dip brow pomade with the brush. You do have from Pure Cosmetics the mascara. This is the eyeliner from Persona. These are the brushes. This is the face mask. This is a body glow. This is the setting powder, and this is a vitamin C cream. So I got a box full of goodies, and to be honest with you guys, I like these things. And I'm really surprised that they are so expensive, but I will be definitely trying these for sure. And look at the vitamin C, the Honeymoon Glow Body. It looks really nice. So I'm going to leave all of these things down below in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to try BoxyCharm for a month or two. You can cancel your subscription anytime you want. But I think I'm going to keep it for just a little bit for now and see if I like the products or not. But so far for the Luxe box, I really like it. The products are really good, and I can't wait to try this detox face mask and the vitamin C cream, which is $116. It's quite expensive, but I am going to be giving you guys feedback on that. But it's a good box for this BoxyCharm box for January. So I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and for spending this little time with me today. I always appreciate it. My name is Odette. Thanks for watching. I shall see you next time. Bye.